was a beautiful spring day in Word World.
Nope. Peaches!
Well, thanks, Sheep, but actually, I'm making
Pig, are you all right?
Who brought pigs?
Well, I did. I brought this to make a dog.
Pig is allergic to pigs.
Allergic? What does that word mean?
It means if Pig gets too close to Peaches, he starts to sneeze. Thank you.